Hello friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not working problem. So friends, before we get started, please do subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive all notification videos from Android Tips. So friends, let's get started. So friends, Facebook Messenger not working problem. So friends, sometimes while using our Facebook Messenger, our Facebook Messenger may get stopped in the middle while using, so it may show Facebook Messenger has been stopped or error something else. So friends, first thing, you need to check whether your internet connection is good or not. So if your internet connection is good, then it's fine. And then and then uh, y- and then uh, second thing, you have to check whether your Facebook Messenger is being connected to your Facebook application or not. Second thing, your Facebook application should be connected to your Facebook Messenger. If you are logout, if you are logged out in your Facebook application, you may automatically log out in your Facebook Messenger. So you just need to check whether you are logging in with your Facebook application. So that's the step 2. And then step 3, it might be because of some uh, what to say because of some issues, because of some bugs. So for that reason, you just need to go to Play Store and then check whether your Facebook Messenger is to be updated or not. So friends, you just need to check whether your Facebook Messenger is to be updated or not. If it is asking for update, please update the Facebook Messenger and then check whether you're facing the problem or not. Even after updating, you're facing the problem again, then you just need to go to settings. You just need to go to settings and then go to apps and then go to manage apps. After that, you just need to search for Messenger here. So you can see Messenger. So you just need to clear the data of this Facebook Messenger. You just need to clear the data. You just need to clear the data of this Facebook Messenger. You just need to clear all data and then re-login in with your Facebook account Messenger. Re-login in with your Facebook account. So friends, after doing that, you may not face this problem anymore. So friends, even after clearing data, even after updating your Facebook, even after even after you have a good internet connection, you're still facing the same problem. So friends, the last option will be, you just need to uninstall the Facebook Messenger application and reinstall the Facebook Messenger application and then re-login in with your Facebook account. So that will be sure you will not face this problem anymore. So friends, that's it. I hope you understand this video. So till then, take care and thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe Android Tips YouTube channel.